how to reset Skrill password. So if you want to reset Skrill password, then first of all you need to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Skrill, and after searching here you will have this www.skrill.com. You can simply click on that. And now if you don't have an account, then you can simply go for the upper right here, which has that register, and simply register to your account. But if you already have an account and if you want to log in, or if you want to reset or recover your password, then simply go for login. And here you need to enter your email address. So after entering your email address on the first blank, here if you forgot your password, or if you want to reset or recover your password, then what you can do is simply click on forgot your password, which is here. And now you need to enter your email address which you have used to create your account, and after entering that, click on send. And now you have to check your email. So open up your mail which you have used to create your Skrill account, and here you will have this reset your password mail, right? Click on that, and from here you can simply click on reset password, and after that your verification has been successful. So you have to enter your new password here, and after entering your new password here on the first blank, on the next blank you need to again retype your new password, and then you can click on submit. And after entering the new password, click on submit, and that's it. Now you can simply click on login, and now you can log into your account with your new password. So that's it. That's how you reset or recover your password on Skrill. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.